You 7 days after sowing the Dhania or the coriander, now it's ready. Things today change. Before we used to open it in the morning, and today we are doing it in the evening. But before opening our seedlings, we've decided to do the irrigation. As you can see, irrigation is taking place. Thank you to our green energy power that is giving us water from the morning till the sun goes down. And the reason why we've changed or I've changed my schedule of irrigation, as you can see, in the first week of my Dhania, the Dhania of the coriander that I did, some places here or some plants are missing in some areas here. It's because when we opened the seedlings in the morning, there was ice scorching, and in my case I don't do the shading, so there was ice scorching. We lost some few seeds or some few seedlings, though the bed looks okay. So today we decided now we are going to open the to water, sorry, we are going to open the to water the bed, then we do the opening. So at the moment irrigation is taking place. As you can see, it's raining in this farm. It rains from the morning to the evening. We use the rain to lay, we use the sun for the rains. Yes, it's as good as that. No matter the mode of irrigation you're using, so we've learned from the mistake that we did in our first bed, and we don't want to repeat it in the second bed where we opened then the sun scorch. That's why we are doing the evening irrigation. From there we open the seedlings and we make sure that everything is okay and there is no seedling, even a single one, that is dying under scorching. So we irrigate now. Tomorrow morning we continue with the irrigation to make sure the seedling is healthy and the seedlings is okay. In our next episode, I'm going to tell you why I'm not covering the rest of my beds. This is just the beginning, and we continue with our class. Let's go. Irrigation has stopped. We've stopped the rains, and it's because what we are looking for, the amount of moisture in the nursery we are looking for, is enough. So we open and see what is in here. So it's very simple, very simple when opening. So this is how we do it. So today there will be no scorching of the seedling. So no scorching. So we remove all the mulch. Make sure the mulch are removed. Shamba tukiona vile ilikuwa haina kitu yote, ilikuwa ni uwanja tu. Deal done. The nursery has been uncovered. You can see it yourself. You can tell the difference from this week and the other week. The germination is super good. You can see they are a little bit longer. So if it was during the morning, the sun could have affected them. So you open them in the evening, and in the morning we start irrigating again, so that we can keep the seedling moist. Nursery management is very key. It beats the professionals, experienced farmers, and those who are inexperienced. That's why so many farmers usually run to the seedlings. It's because of the management of the nursery. So you should check. You should be very cautious when handling the nurseries, especially watering, pest and disease control. Those are the key things. Watering, pest and disease control. Nutrition is something that you can easily control. But how to manage water, how to manage pest, how to manage diseases is what matters and is the key thing. Hope you're learning. Hope you're getting each and every point. If it's your first time that you're watching me, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is the class that you need each and every day to learn everything